So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 oracle messages for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 27th of April till the 3rd of May 2026. Please keep in mind these are general messages, they might or might not resonate. Even if they're resonating 100% with you, they then take these messages as a guidance only, not as a personal reading, as if your life depends on these readings. Okay, for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. The overall energy for Gemini people for this week. Let's see what we have. Six of Michael. It's the light at the end of the tunnel. You might be going through some kind of a pessimistic phase of your life or dark phase of your life. Now the time has come for you guys to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Instead of focusing on the darkness, now start focusing on the light that's coming your way. Breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. See, you cannot change the past no matter how strong you are. You cannot do anything about the past, Gemini, apart from accepting it and being more aware and alert of it, right? So breathe a sigh of relief and make new plans. Start working on making new plans. Relocation or travel is also possible for you guys for this week, if you guys are looking forward to have that. If not, maybe it's going to be sudden, but it's going to be beautiful. Okay, let's take the per day messages for Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for this week. We have for 27th, we have the 7 of Raphael, time to make a decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. If you are manifesting something here in a particular area of your life, you have to have a proper clear cut clarity and understanding of what you want and why you want it. Okay, and then you have to take the inspired actions in that direction for your manifestation to come to fruition. A need for detoxification, whether it's digital or physical or emotional, you know better than me. So there's a need for you guys to detox. Okay, so and there's a choice or a decision that you guys have to make in a particular direction that is also required. 28, we have 8 of Raphael. There is something better waiting for you. So you might be in this living by the mantra of my way or the highway kind of a deal, but there is another option or there is something better waiting for you. So you might be keeping yourself stuck on something or someone like forcibly, or you are being very stubborn. But you guys have to be a little bit flexible because there's something better waiting for you on the horizon. Do what you know is right for you. Do what you know is right for you, not what you think is right for you. Okay, sometimes we think like something is right for us, but and our from inside we know that it might not be the right thing for us to do, and we know what is right. So choose what is right for you, not what you think is right for you. A spiritual quest for some of you, you might be starting a spiritual journey this week. This day marks a good day for you guys to start that. 27, 28, 29th, we have the 10 of Michael. A situation has ended. Something is coming to an end, and you're finally free to move forward. Okay, there's an ending of a cycle here in a particular situation of your life, and you're finally free to move forward. New opportunities for happiness will now follow. If you're going to allow your past to be in the past, new opportunities for happiness are going to follow you now. But the term and condition here is the past should not come in your present. But the term and condition here now is that the past should not come in your present. Okay, so that's for 27, 28, 29. 30th, we have the 9 of Ariel. Your dreams are fulfilled. Some kind of dream is going to be fulfilled. Some kind of wish is going to come true on this particular day. Hard work leads to great success. If you're working on something from quite a long time, this day is going to mark really beautiful success for you guys. A love for the beautiful things in life is going to get enhanced, or get what we call that, not rectified, that is mistake, I don't know, it's going to be enhanced. Cool. So we have 27, 8, 9, 30th. 1st of May, we have the 10 of Gabriel. Ask your angels for helpful people to lighten your load. Ask for help. Okay, you can ask your spirit guides, you can ask your angels, you can ask your gods, deity, or whosoever you believe in. You can ask the universe, you can ask the existence for helpful people to lighten your load. You might be working too much, or you might be working on so many things at the same time. So you can ask the universe for helpful people to lighten your load. And working too many hours or working too much is not going to help you. working, like maybe it's going to um, deteriorate. Okay, maybe it's going to harm your productivity. That's a good, I'm not able to say deteriorate. Okay. Trying too hard to please others. Now people pleasing is not going to help you in any way, Gemini. Just do your thing, be happy in your life, don't hurt anyone, don't harm anyone, just keep going. Okay, that's enough for you. You don't have to keep your life stagnant or keep your life stuck because of other people. People pleasing never gives anything good in return to anyone on this planet earth, or maybe beyond that also, I don't know. Cool. Second, 27, 8, 9, 31st. 2nd of May, we have the 4 of Gabriel. Time for celebration. You guys are going to have a reason to celebrate your life. You guys are going to get some kind of success in which you are going to feel very, very happy. And as abundant rewards for hard work. Your hard work is going to be paid. Your hard work is going to be rewarded. Release yourself from burdensome situations, release yourself from burdensome and heavy kind of situations, because you guys might be keeping yourself stuck in a situation from quite a long time now. Now the time has come for you guys to release and move forward. 3rd of May, we have the 9 of Gabriel. Stay determined and move forward. Stay determined. If you are going to face any kind of obstacles or challenges in a particular situation where you know you are going to get something good in return, do not allow these bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Okay, just keep moving forward. Be prepared for any possibility, anything can be possible this day. If you are determined, if you are going to stay focused, anything can be possible on this particular day, Gemini. So keep moving forward. Environmental activism, if you are into volunteering or activism, you can go ahead and join these things too. This is going to make you feel very, very content and peaceful from inside, and happy, of course. Cool. Let me see the guidance for you guys for this week, Gemini. So we have the decision. Release yourself from that which holds you back. You know, you might be continuously living in some kind of past situation. Maybe something happened, maybe a breakup or separation, or something happened at some point of time, and you guys are not able to release yourself from that situation. You guys have to start releasing yourself slowly but surely from a situation that's holding you back, that's holding your progress back. Maybe family members, maybe society, maybe so-called society members, or something like that, right? A need to detox. Now it's a literal physical detox or emotional or digital. You guys have to figure that out. But there's a need for detox, maybe energy detox. Like you have to stop draining your energies on things or people or situations that you know is not good for you or right for you in whatever way possible, in whatever way applicable. Unnecessary worry based on lack of self confidence. It's not a worry, like you guys are not worried. It's actually lack of self confidence that is making you think like you can't do something, you can't achieve something. There's something that's continuously stopping you from moving forward. That's simply worry based on lack of self confidence, nothing more than that, right? So work on your self confidence. You can achieve everything. Some days we don't feel that much happy or that much confident, and that's completely okay. It's okay to not to be okay. Okay, allow yourself to not to be okay sometimes. It's not always like we have to be always like he ha ha ha, oh my god. They are fake people, right? If you find somebody always like this, they are not real people, they are fake. Okay, they're just trying to pretend to be happy. Real people who are really happy, either they are silent or they don't give a fuck about anybody else's existence on this planet Earth. They just do their own thing. They just feel content. They just don't show it that we are so happy and we are so this and that. They don't show it too much. Maybe show them, but not show it. Okay, anyways, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. Will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.